Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to track text onto a wall in DaVinci Resolve. So I have a clip here on my timeline, and let's say I want to track some text onto the walls here on the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this clip by clicking on it, moving over to the Fusion page, and then I'm going to click on Media in 1, gonna press Control and Space, then type in Planar Tracker. It should add that. And now I'm going to change my tracker from point to hybrid point slash area. Then I'm going to click on the frame where I want my tracking to take place. Let me just adjust the lines about here and here. So just try to get the shape to fit the perspective of the wall. Motion type perspective looks good. I'll set this as a reference time, and then I'll track it backwards. This might take a second or two. It looks good. Then I'm gonna go back to the first frame I set the reference on. I'm going to click track to end. So what this does is it captures the motion of the wall forwards and backwards, which is important if we want to really sell that effect of the text being stuck onto the wall. So now that that's finished, I'm going to press Control Space again. This time I'm going to add text. I'm going to directly connect the text to the tracker by clicking on the box, dragging it, then I can delete this merge layer. So here I'm going to change the operation mode. Selecting the planar tracker, I'm going to change the operation mode from track to corner pin. And this is going to bring up a box. And all I have to do is move the corners of the box to where I want the text to be tracked onto. So I think that looks good. I'm going to select the text node that we just created. In the text field, I'm going to type in editing in seconds. Let's change the font. Let's give it something like here. Increase the size a bit. Oops, little too large. Just realized I spelled it wrong. Change the font again. Something like this. There we go. We go back to our timeline and play the video. We can see that the text is perfectly tracked onto the wall. Also do this for clips with lots of motion, like for example, going through a tunnel, and the text will fly through the scene as if you're walking past it. So that's how to track text onto a wall using DaVinci Resolve. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new.